Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit on TD Bank. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, you're going to go to Google. You could also do this by going over to any of the branches, just so you know. But at first, if you want to do it online, then head over to Google and search for direct deposit TD Bank, and then click on the first link that comes up. From there, you can see that to have your paycheck deposited, what you need to do is download, print, and complete the direct deposit authorization form and give it to your employer's payroll representative. So you're going to click on download the form, and then basically you're going to save it or directly like print it out, and then you're going to put in like all of these information. You could like type it in, or you could also use a pen to write these things. And once you're done, you're going to print it and then submit it into the bank, and they're going to do it for you. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.